Hey guys, so in this video you're gonna see how I unbox my MacBook Air M4. So I recently pre-ordered it from Apple Store, and this is how I unbox it.
Oh my fucking god.
I ordered it on 8th of March and it got delivered on 12th.
Unbox it right now.
So this is my first MacBook and you can see how happy I am unboxing it. So I ordered it in the Starlight color and this is it. You can see.
Go to the accessories. So I have ordered Starlight color and I can see the wire is also the same color. Oh my god, it's so light. Just like again. I can't feel it. It's so lightweight. And the color is just so stunning. I like the color. I'm glad that I chose this color. It's just my kind of color. Starlight.
So there is no technical specification in this video. You can see in the reflection how happy I am while watching it in real. I never imagined I would ever buy a MacBook, but here I am unboxing it. You can never say never. You never know what will happen, right? So yes, it is. And this looks so aesthetically pleasant, so cute. Just saying hi in different languages. I just I wanted to play this on my screen for a long time so that I enjoy it. There is a different feeling unboxing a new thing for the first time, right? You can never get the same feeling again. So this is just me enjoying it, and then I do the rest technical settings, and here we go using my MacBook. So this is it using my MacBook. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment your views. Thank you for watching. Probably 9 p.m. and probably I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm not sure if I'll be sleeping or I'll be in lost of thoughts, because I'm very excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the D-Day. It's a very big day for me because I think 2 or 3 days ago I had ordered a MacBook Air M4 and tomorrow is 12th of March and it's gonna get delivered at my place. So I'm very excited. Maybe it would not be a big deal for many of you, but for me it's a big thing to get a MacBook Air, and I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. So I'm just very nervous. I don't know what to say, but I'm happy that I'm getting it. And finally, I was waiting since so many days. I have been in search of the MacBook for me. I visited so many of the stores, was confused which one to select, and finally I'm gonna get my hands on the latest MacBook. It's really unbelievable for me. I'm getting the latest one. But yeah, Let's do it. I'm very excited. See you tomorrow.